Start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Today is the Tuesday, 26th of January 2021. Student, today's our topic of discussion is the difference between arteries, capillaries and the veins. Students, I have explained you the structure of arteries, capillaries and vein and the transport system in man in my previous video. Watch that video for better understanding of this lecture. Student, today we will just summarize the difference between these terms. Here I have written the major difference between these terms, so you can easily pick all the important lines of these terms. First one is the arteries. Students, as we already studied that arteries are the blood vessels that carry oxygen away from the heart to all other parts of the body. The function of arteries is to carry the oxygenated blood and transport that oxygenated blood to all the other parts of the body. Next one is capillaries. Student, as you know, arteries divide and form the capillaries. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Then capillaries combine to form the veins. So the function of capillaries is just to connect arteries to the veins. Next one is veins. Student, the function of veins is to carry the deoxygenated blood from the rest of the body back to the heart. So veins carry blood from rest of the body back to the heart. As you know that our heart pump in two process. In the first process, it transport the oxygenated blood to all the parts of the body, and then in the second process it carry the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. So arteries carry oxygenated blood to all and transport to the all parts of the body, and veins carry that deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. Next point is arteries have thick, elastic and muscular walls. Students, arteries have to carry the oxygenated blood, so the arteries have much more pressure. That's why they have the thick, elastic and muscular wall. So, and then is capillaries. Student, capillaries have very thin walls which allow oxygen, nutrients and waste to diffuse into or from the cells into the bloodstream. The function of capillaries is to transport the oxygen to the bloodstream. So it allows the oxygen, nutrients and waste products to diffuse into and from the cells into the bloodstream. Next is veins. Student, veins have thin and less elastic wall because they have no pressure in their walls. So the walls are thin, and as it carries deoxygenated blood, so no pressure is required in the veins. Next one is arteries. Most arteries have no valves. Student, the function of valve is to prevent the backflow of the blood, as the artery carry oxygenated blood, so there is no need to prevent the backflow of blood. That's why most arteries don't have valve. Next one is capillaries. Capillaries have no valves. Next is veins. Have valves to prevent the backflow of the blood. Veins have valves which prevent the backflow of the blood. Last point is arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. As I already explained you that arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all other parts of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, because pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood, and it carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lung, and from the lung oxygenation take place, and it carried from the pulmonary vein to the heart again. Next is vein. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. As I already explained you that veins carry deoxygenated blood from rest of the body back to the heart except pulmonary vein, because pulmonary veins carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. So this is all about today's topic, the basic difference between arteries, capillaries and the veins. This is the important topic. So student, write the difference between these terms on your copies.